word of God direct us in our work and way. And a dark place indeed the world will be without it. The commandment is a lamp kept burning with the oil of the Spirit. As we like to direct us in the choice of our way and the steps we take in that way. The keeping of God's commands here meant was that of a sinner under a dispensation of mercy, of a believer having part in the continent of grace. The mess is often affected, but with longing desires to become more holy, offers up daily prayers for quickening grace. We cannot offer anything to God that we will accept but what He is placed to teach us to do. To have our soul or life continually in our hands. And please constant danger of life, yet He did not forget God's promise nor His precepts. Numberless are the snares laid by the weak, and happy is that servant of God, whom they have not caused to err from his master's precepts. Heavenly treasures are herides forever. All the saints accept then as such, therefore they can be content with little of His world. We must look for comfort only in the way of duty, and that duty must be done a good man. By the grace of God brings his heart to his work, then it is done well.